Are you tired of seeing your LG monitor display colors that look like a psychedelic mishmash? Do you feel frustrated every time you see your screen's contrast go haywire at the worst possible moment? You are not alone. In this guide, we'll explain how to fix an LG monitor from crazy contrast, providing step-by-step instructions for troubleshooting and resolving this issue so you can get back to enjoying vibrant, accurate colors on your screen. Step 1. Check your monitor's cable connection. Before diving into settings, let's start with the basics, ensuring that all the cables are properly connected to your monitor. Over time, cables can become loose or unplugged, leading to display issues. Inspect the connections. Power off your LG monitor and the connected device and carefully unplug the HDMI, DisplayPort, or VGA cable. Inspect for any damage to the ports or cables, then securely reconnect everything. Test alternative cables. If issues persist, try using a different cable or port to see if that resolves the problem. A faulty cable can often be the culprit for display disturbance. Step 2. Reset your LG monitor display setting. If cables aren't the issue, the next step is to reset your monitor's display settings to their factory defaults. This can often rectify contrast. Open the on-screen display menu. Press the menu button on your monitor. Navigate to the display settings using the arrow buttons. Find the reset option. Locate the reset option within the settings menu, which may be labeled as factory reset or reset to default, depending on your model. Confirm the reset. Follow the prompts to confirm the reset. This will restore all settings, including contrast and brightness, to the manufacturer's defaults. Step 3. Adjust the contrast and brightness manually. If resetting doesn't solve the issue, you can manually adjust the contrast and brightness settings to achieve the desired display quality. Access the contrast setting. Within the OSD menu, find the options to adjust brightness and contrast. These features are typically under Picture or Display settings. Tweak the settings. Use the arrow buttons to increase or decrease the contrast and brightness until the display appears balanced. Start with moderate settings and make small adjustments to ensure accuracy. Step 4. Update your monitor's firmware and drivers. Outdated firmware or drivers can also cause display anomalies. Ensuring your monitor is running the latest firmware and your graphics card drivers are up to date can help. Firmware update. Visit the LG support website to check for any available firmware updates for your specific monitor model. Follow the instructions to install updates if applicable. Driver update. Update your graphics driver via the manufacturer's website or use your computer's built-in update tools. This step is crucial for maintaining compatibility and performance. Step 5. Utilize calibration tools. For more precise control over display settings, consider using calibration tools to fine-tune your monitor's output. Use built-in calibration. Many operating systems offer display calibration tools. For example, Windows has a Calibrate Display Color tool accessible in the settings. Professional calibration tool. For the perfectionists, external calibration devices like the Spider or Color Monkey provide high-level color accuracy adjustment. With these steps, you can effectively address common contrast issues on your LG monitor. By checking connections, resetting settings, manually adjusting contrast and brightness, updating firmware, and utilizing calibration tools, you'll ensure that your display provides an optimal viewing. Remember, always prioritize a step-by-step approach to troubleshoot hardware issues, and don't be afraid to seek professional help if your efforts don't resolve the problem. Now, go ahead and enjoy those Monday morning Zoom meetings or late-night gaming sessions with crisp, clean visuals.